Here's how to fix Messenger chat bubble not showing. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't miss any of the steps. First thing you will need to do, you have to open your Messenger. Once you have opened your Messenger app, now you have to click on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. Then it will open this menu. Now you have to click on the settings gear at the top. Then at this interface you have to scroll down and go to the option chat heads. Here you have to enable this option. Once you have enabled this option, now you have to go back to your mobile setting. Here you have to scroll down and go to the additional setting option and you have to click on it. After that, at this interface, you have to click on the apps management option at the top. Now you have to select your Messenger app, and once you click on it, then it will redirect you to this interface. Here you have to click on the notification manager at the top. Then you have to enable all the notifications. Once you enable this option, now when you receive any message on Messenger, chat bubble will appear. So this is how you can fix Messenger chat bubble not showing.